This video tutorial demonstrates how to apply a pseudocolor when capturing monochrome images, then combine these images into a composite, multicolor image. In the Acquisition tab, select Save the adjusted image. Go to the Adjustment tab and in the Pseudocolor menu, choose the color to be applied to the first image, then click Capture at the top of the window. Select another color for the next image, then click Capture. Repeat for any additional color channels. Select an image to activate it, then click to open the Adjustment menu. In the Color Composite menu, select the box for Select Source Images. In the File Preview gallery, check the Images to combine. Click Composite. The composite image is displayed in the window and is saved in the same destination folder as the original images.